Meet Greenleaf Bakery, a small business with big dreams. Greenleaf Bakery started as a small family-owned business in 2020. Founded by Sarah and Mike Johnson in Millbrook, Ohio, it specialized in organic, gluten-free treats. Their passion was creating delicious baked goods for everyone, even those with dietary restrictions. Despite tough competition, Sarah and Mike were determined to carve out their niche. They focused on high-quality ingredients and unique recipes, setting them apart. By 2023, Greenleaf Bakery had built a loyal customer base, known for their signature zucchini bread and vegan cupcakes. Employing 5 full-time staff members, they became a beloved part of the Millbrook community. However, they faced challenges in growing their sales and knew they needed to expand. The bakery had plateaued in terms of growth. They were ready to take Greenleaf Bakery to the next level, but they weren't sure how to make it happen. As 2024 began, Greenleaf Bakery found itself in a sales slump. Their revenue had remained stagnant for the past 6 months. The Johnsons were concerned about the future of their business. One main challenge was limited visibility. The bakery was on a quiet street with little foot traffic. Many potential customers weren't even aware of its existence. They realized they needed to increase their marketing efforts to reach beyond their immediate neighborhood. Another issue was their product range. They hadn't introduced new items in a while. Regular customers were looking for variety. The bakery needed to innovate and expand its menu without compromising their commitment to organic, gluten-free baking. Lastly, Greenleaf Bakery was falling behind in the digital space with a basic website and minimal social media presence. In an increasingly digital world, this was limiting their reach. The Johnsons knew they needed to embrace technology to grow their business. The Johnsons didn't waste time in addressing their challenges. They developed a comprehensive strategy to boost sales. Their first step was to conduct market research to understand their customers better. They used surveys and focus groups to gather feedback, gaining valuable insights into customer preferences. Based on their research, they expanded their product line with seasonal specials and limited edition items. They also started offering customizable celebration cakes, tapping into a new market segment. Next, they focused on improving their marketing efforts, hiring a local marketing consultant. Together, they developed a targeted advertising campaign using a mix of traditional and digital marketing methods. They also partnered with local businesses for cross-promotion opportunities. To address their location challenge, they started participating in farmers markets and food festivals. They introduced a loyalty program to encourage repeat business, where customers could earn points with each purchase. These points could be redeemed for discounts or free items. Section 4. Digital Transformation. Embracing the online marketplace. Greenleaf Bakery underwent a significant online transformation. They revamped their website, featuring high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. They integrated an online ordering system. The Johnsons invested in social media marketing. They posted regularly, sharing behind-the-scenes content. These efforts built a strong online community. They partnered with local delivery services, introduced a subscription box service. The digital transformation expanded their reach and customer base. Section 5. Overcoming hurdles, navigating challenges along the way. Implementing these changes wasn't without its challenges. The biggest hurdle was the initial cost of digital transformation. Upgrading their website and investing in marketing was expensive. They decided to implement changes gradually to spread out the costs. Training staff for online orders and delivery logistics was another challenge. Some employees were resistant, but comprehensive training helped. Balancing quality with increased production was a concern. They invested in new equipment and hired part-time bakers to meet demand. Section 6. Sweet Success. Measuring the impact and looking ahead. Greenleaf Bakery's efforts were impressive. By the end of 2024, sales increased by 40%. Their customer base grew significantly, mixing local and online customers. The online ordering system accounted for 30% of total sales. The subscription box service attracted 200 loyal subscribers. Social media following grew tenfold, leading to influencer collaborations. The custom cake service was profitable, opening opportunities for catering. The Johnsons plan to open a second location and explore wholesale opportunities.